Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to buy American Airlines miles. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. Now the American Airlines A Advantage program allows members to purchase up to 150,000 miles yearly with a minimum order of 5,000 miles each time. Now the prices can vary, but at the time of making this video, the standard full price to purchase A Advantage miles was $3.76 per mile. This means that if you want to buy 10,000 miles, it will be going for $376.25. And if you're going for the maximum purchasable miles in a year, it will be $5,643.75 for 150,000 miles. Now, you could also seize the opportunity of promotions to purchase miles at a discounted rate. If you're not in a rush, waiting for a promotion to be offered before buying miles can make a difference. Regular promotions offer about 20 to 35% in discount, usually tier to receive higher discounts for larger purchases. Promotions offering 50% discount are sometimes offered also. Under the standard promotion, which was running at the time of April 2024, the price per mile drops as low as 2.4 cents for the maximum purchase. This means if you're trying to get the maximum purchasable miles in a year, which is 150,000 miles, you will be getting a discount of 35% at 2.4 cents. But if you're going for 10,000, you will be having a 20% discount at 3 cents. So with these options, we hope you're able to buy your American miles successfully. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.